Yan, saglit lang yata.
Dito lang.
Hi guys, I'm in Siargao. Ay, wala mo pala ako sa Siargao. Nasa ano pala ako. Hello, good morning. It's November 25 and it's 2 a.m. in the morning and I'm here in Clark Airport because I'm heading to Siargao to celebrate my birthday week. Yay! This is another solo travel with me, guys. Medyo maaga ako, but dinrop ako ng kuya ko at ate ko dito. So, nabaga. Right now, chill lang, and I think I'm good because I'm just waiting for the flight to port. Ayun lang. Bye-bye! Just arrived in Siargao after 5 years with Adventures. Ay tao. Alam ko na tayo sa environmental fee. Then 45 minutes of ride. We'll be looking for tripod. Dahil nakalimutan ko yung tripod. Hello. This is going to be one here in Siargao. And may katangahan naman ginagawa. I think naiwan ko yung tripod ko sa isang luggage. And I had to buy one because this is a solo travel. Wala magkuha sa akin ng picture. And hindi reasonable ang price ng tripod dito. So, well, I had to buy one instead of stressing myself. Okay, mag-share na ako. Pakilaan na. Hello! Still in day 1 here in Siargao. I was able to recharge na. ko nakatulog. And ang mahirap pala pag may ka-share ka sa room is maya ka mag-iising whenever pumapasok sila. And it's confirmed. Ako lang ang Pinoy sa room namin. But yeah, ngayon I'm heading to Cloud9 or Katangnan Beach. No plans as usual, but I want to have coffee. So, sure. Let's see.
So now we do it.
Good morning. November 26, it's my birthday. And we're heading dun sa beach access ng accommodation. Watch tayo ng sunrise. It's 5:30 in the morning. Walang tao. Tambay tayo sa beach. Yung ganda! Tignan nyo, medyo muddy lang yung way punta doon. Pero sobrang ganda kasi wala pa masyadong tao. Oh, parang pakuyak yung naman ako dito. Look. Ay, so lovely. Minsan gusto kong magsumbong sa'yo. Pagod na ako. Hi! Morning again. Today, actually, nag-vlog na tawag. Ayun, medyo baligtad yung sleeping pattern ko dito. It's only 6:39. I'm originally planning na mag-gym na. However, I think sarado pa yung gym na ganitong oras. So right now, magko-coffee shop na tayo for breakfast din. And from there, tsaka tayo pupunta ng gym. Medyo baligtad kasi yung mga kasama ko sa hostel, gising sila ng gabi. Tapos ngayon puro sila tulog. Wala pang gising actually sa hostel. Ako pa lang ata. And yun, tara. Lego! 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 Boom! I'm heading out ulit after sleeping. Puro na akong tulog dito. Uy. Ngayon, ang sunset watching. ay maabutan pa bang sunset.
One day.
Parang ayaw niya ay.
Baka sira na yan.
Bago ka. Huwag kang ganyan.
Nainggit ako eh.
Wow, you just broke the manometer! Hold that pose like you're on a red carpet!
Hi guys, good morning. It's 5 a.m. in the morning. I'm still here in Siargao. I'm heading Cloud9 just to watch sunrise. I woke up late. Kaya sabi ko, sige, let's watch sunrise in Cloud9. Since Cloud9 is walking distance to the hostel where I'm staying. Yeah, starting the day early. Then pag tanghaling tapat, I'll go home na lang. Kasi mainit. Morning po.
Sarap kayo, sir.
Hindi po sir. Hindi po. Hi guys, I'm in Shaka right now. This is my last full day here in Siargao. I'll go home na tomorrow. And yeah, I woke up early. Ba't ba ako nag-English? Basta maaga ako nagising, tapos nag-Cloud9 ako for sunrise. Then, naglakaw. I walk here in Siargao. Then went back.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed.